In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make them commit to you this year with one simple spell. Okay, if you are dating, if you're in a relationship, but the person you are with is not showing seriousness, the person you are with is not giving you the attention, the person is not committed to you, and you want them to commit to you this year, this simple spell is going to help them or make them commit to you. Okay, you don't need to stress yourself that much. Just do this spell by yourself, and you are going to see them being committed to you. They are going to abandon any other thing that has been a distraction in their life. It can be any other woman or any other man that has been distracting them from committing to you. Once you do this spell, they are going to abandon them and focus only on you. Okay, this is a powerful spell, but it's very, very simple. Okay, so make sure that you're going to watch the video to the end so that you learn how to do this spell. My name is Gideon, and I share spiritual tip here in the channel. In case if you're seeing me for the first time, okay, what I do is to teach you a powerful spell that you can do to help your relationship to be sweet and beautiful, so that nobody is going to take your man or your woman away from you. Okay, they say knowledge is power. Okay, so if you can be able to do this spell, they are going to be committed to you, being it a man, being it a woman. Okay, so there are some materials that you need to get to do this spell. Okay, that you need to get these materials to do this spell. So the first material that you need to get is candle. Okay, you need to get candle. Now, not just anyhow candle. You are going to get image candle. Okay, female and male candle. Okay, now how to know this image candle, the one that is female and the one that is male? If you look here, you will see something like bulbs here. Okay, this is female candle, image candle, female image candle. Okay, then if you look on this one, you are not going to see anything like bulbs here. Okay, you're going to see something here that is male candle. Okay, that is how you identify the female and male candle for those that are not aware. Okay, you buy these two type of candle, these two color. Okay, yellow and blue, yellow and blue. Okay, now when you buy this candle, you are going to buy honey. Okay, original honey. Now the reason why you should buy honey is to make him find you attractive, to make everything about you to be sweet, to make him obsessed with you. Because once somebody is obsessed with you, they are going to be committed. So once somebody loves and like you so much, just like honey, okay, just like sugar, okay, when you taste sugar, that taste makes you to want to taste more, something like that. That is why you need honey. Okay, so when you get honey, you're going to apply it on this candle. Okay, just open the honey, apply it on this candle, rub it on the body of this candle. But before then, you are going to write your name and his name on the candles. Okay, if you're the woman that is doing it, you write your own name on the candle, on the female candle. Okay, you write your own name on the female candle. So if you're a woman that is carrying out this assignment, that's what I mean. You write your own name on the female candle. But if you're a man, you write your own name on the male candle. Okay, you write your own name on the male candle. Then after that, that is when you're going to apply the honey on the candles. Okay, you rub the honey on the candle. Just open the honey and rub it on the candles. Okay, now after rubbing it on the candles, you are going to get a red thread. Okay, red symbolizes love. Red symbolizes love. Okay, so you are going to face the candles each other. Okay, you are going to be facing the candles together like this. Okay, and you start tying it. So I'm going to tie it so that you know. Okay, when you face it, you start tying it. Okay, and as you are tying it, you are going to be making a declaration. Okay, as today, as I'm tying you, you'll be committed to me in the morning, afternoon, night. Okay, and nobody is going to take you away from you. Nobody is going to take your attention away from you. Okay, this is how you tie the candles. Okay, you tie it up together like this. Okay, so as you're tying the candle, you're making your declaration, be saying what you want as you're tying those two candles. Okay, once you have finished tying the candles like this, you are going to stand it on the floor and you set it up, like you start burning the candle. Okay, you light up the candle with lighter or matches, anyone you have. Then you get this particular item, okay, called alligator pepper. Okay, open it and put 4 seed inside your mouth. Take a 4 seed and put inside your mouth. Okay, and when you put that 4 seed of alligator pepper inside your mouth, you are going to chew it. But when you chew it, don't swallow it. Okay, now when you chew it, you are going to say that as you speak, so shall it be in the Eke Ore Afo. But that's if you are from Imo, or you say in the east, west, north, and the south, so shall it be. Okay, you spit out that chaff on this candle at morning. Okay, and you leave the candle to burn down by itself. Okay, once you have carried out this simple spiritual assignment, this person that you have tied together with yourself will never give anybody attention again. Okay, will never be distracted by any man or woman again. They will be 100% committed to you when you do this assignment. Okay, this is a spell that you can do to make anybody that is unserious with you to be serious and committed to you. Okay, so try this spell by yourself, do it by yourself, and see them being committed to you. Okay, if you have any question I want to ask, use the comment section. If you are not subscribed, please do what to subscribe and give me the thumbs up. Okay, so here I'll be wrapping it up in this video. Do this spell and see them committed to you this year. You'll never regret doing it. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.